Hi friends, I am back with the legendary Irish crochet book. We are going to go ahead and make motif number 33 today, which is this beautiful flower with 4 petals connected to it and a stem. Using a 3mm crochet hook. The piece looks something like this. Very beautiful indeed. I think this is my favourite motif out of the 33 motifs so far. I am using some standard green yarn that I've got laying around. I'm using bright orange padding cord just because I want you to see what I'm doing, and if I use the same colour it may get confusing. Ideally you're going to be using the same colour padding cord as the overlay yarn. Before we get into it, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the world to me. Also, it helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. To start off with, we're going to go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain. Now, we need to drop 12 single crochets in this center space. However, we are going to put a little bit of a picot stitch, and I will show you what I mean by that. So we're going to single crochet 1 like that. Go ahead, chain 3. We are going to slip stitch back into the base of where we started with that single crochet like that. Go ahead and do another single crochet. So we've got 2 single crochets so far. Another single crochet and this little picot stitch again. So chain 3 and slip stitch back into the base. 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Chain 3. Picot stitch. 2 single crochet. Chain 3. Picot stitch. 2 single crochet. Chain 3. Picot stitch. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. So I'm dropping 2 single crochet. I'm chaining 3 and I'm slip stitching, and then I'm going to do 1 single crochet to connect the entire piece together. Now is the time for us to connect our padding cord. So we're going to end up making 6 petals around here, and we're going to be slip stitching between these picot stitches that we've made. So let's grab our padding cord. I tend to connect my padding cord just by looping through it like that. I'm going to grab my primary yarn and I'm going to just connect it like that. That's nice and secure. We are going to go ahead and drop 2 single crochet. We're going to do 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to repeat the half double crochets and single crochets back down. So that is 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and now we're going to connect back to the base by slip stitching on the other side of the picot stitch we made in the round prior. So when you're slip stitching, you really want to make sure that you don't forget the padding cord. So, oh, I was going into the wrong one there anyway. So I'm going into the base. I'm going to keep my padding cord at the front and I'm just going to slip stitch around it like that. Now we need 5 more. I shall do another one with you, and then I'll crack on off camera and complete the remaining petals. So I'm getting a little bit fidgety here. That's better. So 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, like that. And now we're going to connect back into the base by poking our crochet hook through. Don't forget the padding cord. Voila. So you got 2 petals there. I'm going to crack on off camera quickly and finish the remaining petals. Then I'm going to come back and show you how to work the stem and the leaves. So I'm just going to connect up my last petal to the base. And our flower should be looking something like this. It's so pretty. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I haven't attempted this off camera because I tend to just pick up my book and just go ahead and record freestyle and read the pattern. Let's crack on with the stem. We need to drop 6 single crochets around this padding cord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see that this is kind of bending. We don't want that. So what are we going to do? We're just going to pull it a little bit to manipulate the padding cord. This is the beauty of padding cord. It can be manipulated. We need to now add 2 leaves here. So how we do that is we are going to just loop our padding cord around like this as per the pattern. You see that? And now I'm going to do 11 single crochet around this leaf here. So this can be a little bit fidgety. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we need to do a cluster single crochet. I don't know what the official term for this is, but what that means is start a single crochet, don't finish it, only pull through 1. Start a single crochet, don't finish it, only pull through 1. Now you should have 3 strands of yarn on your hook, pull through all of them like that. So it gives us like the corner almost of the leaf. We now need to do 11 single crochet all the way back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What we're going to do now is pull the padding cord, because I've got a bit of a gap here like that, so I needed to close that gap. I think I've pulled it far too much. Yeah, I have. So I'm just gonna pull this apart a little bit. There we go. Now I'm gonna go into where I left off, pull that tight. We are going to do a slip stitch on the 6th single crochet of the stem like that. And that is our first leaf. We are now going to do another leaf exactly on the opposite side. So again, make a little bit of a loop like that, because we need to manipulate the padding cord so we can crochet around it. Drop 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A cluster single crochet. 1, 2, pull through everything. 11 single crochet to get back to the base. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got a leaf there and a leaf here. Again, I need to go ahead and pull that a little bit. So that's my front, and I'm working up this way. And this leaf is supposed to be like this. So I'm going to just pull it a little bit. Let me get rid of my hook. Like that. And now I am going to slip stitch into the base again, like that. So your work should be looking something like this so far. Now we need to carry on with the stem because we indeed need 2 more leaves. So 8 single crochet around the padding cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And manipulate the stem a little bit there, like that. So now we're going to add another 2 set of leaves, both on either side. I'm going to quickly go and do this off camera. You're doing the same thing as I have showed you here. And then I'm going to come back and show you how to finish it off. Just finishing off my final petal, and I'm going to again just pull it a little bit and slip stitch back into the base like that. And now let's finish off the stem. So to finish off the stem, we need to do 16 single crochets on the padding cord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. As you can see, I've done this so tight. So again, I need to come back and manipulate this padding cord just to straighten that out. Your final piece should be looking like this. There, I've had to put it down because I'm just fidgeting so much with my hands. Can you see that? I mean, that is beautiful. I think this is my favourite motif out of this entire book. I know we're only at motif number 33, but hey, look at that. That's gorgeous, and look, it's quite big as well. Fits on my hand. When you have finished, you shall snip the padding cord, of course loop it around, tie it in a knot, and you're going to want to grab a darning needle or use a crochet hook and weave it in. I'm not going to demo that because I only make these motifs for demonstration purposes and I don't want to waste yarn. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Video number 34 will be out soon for motif number 34. Thank you so much for watching and have a very blessed day. Please like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.